Hello, hi, welcome back to Excel Daily Dose Advanced Functions. Myself Dayanand with the Learn and Earn YouTube channel. And now we are progressing on to day 11 on the advanced functions. So, day 11, I have OR functions. So, it's good to know these two logic gates before we move on with any more complex functions. So, number one, we already learned AND in the previous video, and now let's focus on OR. Now, let me get back to that table where I showed you for and OR is totally opposite to AND function. And now, uh, if all the conditions are true, AND returns true. Even if one condition is false, AND returns false. So it is invert in OR function. If any one function is true, the answer it returns true. So OR can return false only if all the conditions fails. All the conditions returns false. Okay. So 0, 0 is 0, 0, 1, nothing but first condition fails, second condition passes. Yes, the result will still say true or passes. First one is a pass, the second one is a fail. Result will be pass. Both are pass. Yes, it is well and good to continue. It says pass. So let me demonstrate with an example that makes more sense. Right, okay, there are four sites where somebody playing on a betting games, a Bet365, Dream 11, some of them are known websites. Now, a winner is a winner. Whether he is winning on all the sites or just one site he is winning. So winner is a winner. So now I would like to call out, say I have a condition, 6 is the scoring point, 6 is the winning point, and this is the point. So we would like to see whether we have won anything, is that the person won any match or not. So let's use this OR function. Is this greater than or equal to 6? So either I can use greater than or equal to 6 or simply use greater than 5, which is nothing but equal to 6 or more than 6. Okay. So this is greater than 6, and third condition, I'm sorry, did I say 6, 5? Yeah. The condition number 3 greater than 5, condition number 4 greater than 5. Close the bracket. That's it. That's all it is. OR function, simple arguments. Now the answer result says true because the person has won the Dream 11. He scored more than 6 points here, but he failed in Bet365 and other two websites. However, OR function is what? Even if one condition passes, the result will be true. Here, the only this condition is evaluating true, but not all. This condition evaluating false, 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 but one is true. In that case, the answer will also be true since it is a OR gate. Right? Now, how do we change this true false into fail or pass? Certain text value. Okay. Just wrap them with help of if condition. Cover them with if value if true. Let me say pass. The same what we did for the and value if false, it says fail. So this is only for our example. I'm showing it as pass and fail, but you can carry out some other calculation or some other formula you can include here. If value true, do this activity, do this function, or do this formula. You can replace this argument with anything else you would like to. So I'm using only a simple text to make it easy to understand for the beginners. Okay. It says pass. If he was to not to win even this game, it's a fail. Or you can say win or loss, something like that. All right. This is all for today under OR function. How do we use OR and? It's very, very good to know and very, very good to know some handful of formula. You never know which formula would help you in what situation when you're stuck with. Right? So have patience, stay tuned, and keep supporting, keep learning. One daily, one formula. It's Excel Daily Dose, and myself Dayanand with Learn and Earn YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.